Having trouble seeing your Roblox friends online on your PS5 or PS4? It's a common issue related to privacy settings and cross platform connectivity. Roblox uses its own friend system, but on PlayStation, both Roblox's settings and PlayStation Network settings control who can see your online status, often creating conflicts. Cross platform connectivity can also cause problems with real time status updates between devices. Other factors include weak Wi Fi connections, firewall blocks, or delays from older PS4, PS5 hardware. Finally, ensure your Roblox and PSN accounts are properly linked and your console meets minimum requirements for smooth connectivity. To fix Roblox friends not showing online on PS4, PS5, start by checking your Roblox privacy settings. Make sure who can see my online status is set to friends or everyone. Next, check your PSN privacy settings and ensure crossplay is enabled and that your online status is visible. Unlinking and relinking your Roblox and PSN accounts via the Roblox app on your PS5, PS4 can also help. Restart your console, check for Roblox app updates. Ensure a stable internet connection with at least 5 Mbps download speed. As a last resort, check for PlayStation outages that may affect functionality. Following these steps should resolve most issues with Roblox friends not showing online on your PlayStation console.